Correct. Unicorn is a startup whose valuation is greater than $1 billion. Okay. And then I'll be talking about three pillars of startup. Then about the National Innovation Cell competition. What is a startup ecosystem? We'll see one example of a Tarka lab. And then what are the legal and ethical steps that a startup founder has to follow. Okay. So these are the contents for my session for today. Okay. Now this startup concept is not that old. Okay. In 1984, our Honorable Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, she brought computers in India. In 1984, she brought computers in India. Okay. And then in 1988, around 1988, revolution started happening. Okay, because in 1991 they came up with the scheme of liberalization of computer, and the foreign direct investments were allowed in India. So now foreign companies can invest in India. In 1991, the scheme of liberalization was proposed, and foreign direct investments were allowed in India, and foreign companies started investing in India. And that time there was a Y2K problem. Y2K means year 2000 problem. And in US, there were many companies, they were doing the projects in COBOL language, and mainframe computers were used. Okay. And in that COBOL language, they developed a credit card system programs. Because the memory was expensive, what they did is that in their program, digits to store the year. Okay. So year 2000 was reaching, and now year was becoming 00. So all the applications were about to crash. When year 2000 was approaching, all the applications of their companies, they were fired their employees, and many people had visa problems, and many Indians, they started coming back in India, okay, from years, and government wanted to help them. So government came up with the startup. The concept of startup then started growing, and they came up with the Startup India initiative. Okay. So during 2008, we can see that still these startups have become famous and successful, like Policybazaar, Zomato, Flipkart. All these startups, they came into limelight, and they are successfully working till date. Okay. Their origin is in 2008 when there was recession, and government launched Startup India initiative, and they made everything easy for startup people. Okay. Then again, real boost happened in August 15, 2015. Honorable Prime Minister Modi, they launched the Startup India initiative, and in January 2016, they published a policy. So there is a website, Startup India website. You can go to the website. You can see it's a big website. Everything is there about startups in that website. You can go see the policy. There is a National Innovation Startup Policy. Even the state also have their own startup policy. In that policy, all the rules and regulations are written. And this particular website, it also provides the collaboration between multiple people who should be the part of the startup ecosystem. Okay, startup is not job. It is not a job of a one person. Okay, so even if you one or two people, if you are bringing your startup, you need the support from external outside world, like you need investors, then vendors, suppliers, customers, and all these people are the part of ecosystem of a startup. So you can see the site once it is like good, you should visit and see the site, what is there in that site. And here the aim is to boost the startup ecosystem, and our aim is that we have to transfer India into a country of job creators instead of job seekers. And as trying to make someone's life easy by providing some improved solution, which is their existing solution, but providing some new solution. And the major feature is that you are passionate about your idea so much that your concentration is not to earn the money. Your idea is so strong, and you are passionate about that idea that money is a byproduct, and it will come automatically. Once your idea is published or it becomes successful, it will have the customer, and money is a byproduct of it. But your concentration should not be on money. And so we are just participating in the Atmanirbhar Bharat. These are the three pillars. On the top of which you will be having the startup. The first one is simplification and handholding. the government has they came up in the institute, and these are all the states: problem identification, design thinking, demo day, or IPR related knowledge, and so everything is provided within the college. So we are also organizing multiple events on the same lines. So here there are three stages: pre-incubation, incubation, and accelerator. In pre-incubation, pre-incubation happens in the institute, academic institute. And once you are attached to the incubation center, all these kinds of support will be provided to the startup team. That is infrastructure, networking with mentors, manufacturers, industry people, investors. They will be allowed to participate in multiple events so that they can showcase their product. Then funding, mentoring, advisory, all such support is provided within the incubation center for a startup. So this your initial stage is the incubation, where everyone is trying to help the people who want to become their entrepreneurs. And once you grow, after 3 years, they can leave the incubation center and they survive on their own, and also they can scale with the help of some accelerator. So now to become the successful and to achieve the sustainability, you have to follow certain ethics. This is helpful to you in your life also. Like in the age at some stage, you need to have your core ethical values like integrity, trust, your vision, mission about yourself, what you want to do in your life. And if you are thorough with all these concepts, then your decisions that you take will be proper decisions, and then no one can stop you from getting success. So all these legal ethical values you have to inculcate. For example, in Super Tatkal app, there was one student in IIT Kharagpur. He was facing a problem, so he identified the problem and he came up with a solution, that is a Super Tatkal app. He used to stay in local areas, regional areas, rural areas, and it was happening that the exam dates are announced some days before only. Okay, so he wanted to book the tickets in Tatkal, and he was not getting the tickets because Tatkal booking gets over within 4-5 minutes. So he thought that it's a major problem. So he was a technocrat. He came up with the application. The application was superb. Like you get the data and everything is filled in the form in advance. And when the Tatkal window opens, idea wall. You create an idea wall every day before sleeping. On this idea wall, what are the ideas? You just go through the day. You start your day, like you think what you did in the morning till night, and you see the day in front of you. Find out multiple problems, and what are the ideas that are coming into your mind, you start writing that ideas into the idea wall in your room. Okay, and then you may click with some like solution. Okay, so thank you for listening.